my name is Yafei Chen. I am a senior research fellow working in the pathology group. At Altasciences, we're committed to advancing the science that shapes the future of drug development. Today, I'm spotlighting a key preclinical consideration in oncology drug development and beyond, optimizing model selection for antibody-drug conjugates, or ADCs. ADCs are transforming targeted cancer therapy, with 15 now approved by the FDA. While their precision is groundbreaking, gastrointestinal, or GI, adverse events remain a significant concern, both in patients and in animal models used during preclinical development. I'm excited to share my recent study accepted for presentation at the 2025 AT annual meeting in Phoenix, titled Comparative Analysis of Background Gastrointestinal Characteristics in Cambodian, Vietnamese, and Mauritian cynomolgus monkeys. In this poster, we evaluated whether the geographic origin of cynomolgus monkeys affects baseline GI health and the potential impact on the safety evaluation of ADCs. Leveraging 5 years of retrospective data, the team compared histopathologic GI findings, parasite loads, and clinical pathology markers across Cambodian, Vietnamese, and Mauritian monkeys. Certara's Send Explorer enabled visualization and statistical analysis of these variables. The key outcomes include Cambodian and Mauritian monkeys showed a consistent pattern of baseline GI changes, mild inflammation, or soft stool. In contrast, Vietnamese origin monkeys demonstrated a lower incidence of similar background GI abnormalities, a possible benefit when interpreting ADC-related toxicities. Why does this matter? Because in the high-stakes world of drug development, separating real drug effects from background noise is critical. Vietnamese origin CMs may reduce confounding variables and improve the predictive accuracy of toxicity signals, giving researchers and regulators greater confidence in the data. In short, geographic origin isn't just a footnote. It's a factor that could reshape preclinical study design, especially for GI-sensitive therapeutics like ADCs. Visit our poster and booth at the ACT 2025 annual meeting in Phoenix to learn more. We look forward to connecting with you there.